Welcome to VV in 3, where in 3 minutes you will learn about upcoming events, hear hot topics, and learn about great vegan-friendly restaurants in upstate South Carolina and other areas. I'm your host, Deandra Reason of Winjobi with VV Spot, where people find healthy food.
We'd like to start off by talking about Aldi grocery stores. That's right, the German stores where you can find affordable produce and other delicious options. Did you know they recently expanded their earth-grown vegan line? Now you can find vegetable pot stickers, eggplant ravioli, beefless crumbles, chickenless strips, and more at low prices. You should definitely make a visit to your local Aldi store today. Getting into our featured VV spot, this week we met with Eric Edmondson, one of the owners of We Got the Beats, the first and only all-vegan food truck in the upstate. Here's what he had to say.
You know, we do a lot of the Beyond Meat burgers, Impossible burgers. We do a lot of seitan, and then we create a lot of our own fresh items too, because we don't want to, just rely on the fake meats and that kind of stuff. I'm not out here saying that we're the healthiest vegan options out. Trying to do is to grow what we're doing, right? So I couldn't tell you how many times that we'll have like a couple, for example, they come up to the food truck, right? And one of them's looking for the vegan plant-based options, and the other one's like, ugh, this is vegan. They go have their meal, they come back and it's completely different, response. It's like, this is vegan? You know what I mean? They're like, wow, this was great. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm the proudest of, is that we're able to come out here, on the front lines, so to say, and introduce this type of food to the community that otherwise would never be, introduced to it, and it's just, what it's doing is it's growing the culture, as a whole for the meal prep businesses and restaurants as more people begin to take on more vegan options and things like that. These people that are having their introduction to this type of eating, with our food truck, we're breaking down these false walls, right? There are people like, oh, it's vegan, it's plant-based, it's not going to be good, I don't want it. You know what I mean? They'll come and order food from the truck, sometimes not even realizing that, and then come back and be like, I found out this was vegan, it's great. Just create a better planet for everybody, man.
Both Sandy and Eric are Safe Serve certified in food allergies. They are one of the very few food selling businesses that can guide you in your meal decision if you have food allergies. To learn more, visit We Got the Beats Food Truck on Facebook and Instagram. For upcoming events, on July 24th, Feed Your Inner Chef, also known as FYI Chef, will be hosting a Facebook Live event called Eat Like You're Woke at 5:30 p.m. Also, on August 10th, VV Spot will host our Stone Avenue plant-based food tour. We recently released a ticket, so as you know, we sell out fast. Get your tickets today and also learn more at vv-spot.com.
That's it for us. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. We will catch you back next week. Thanks for watching VV in 3.